I'm about to show you how you can make a renewable flame that lasts over 2 hours with a couple objects lying around the campsite. Let's get into it. Okay, we are going to get straight into it. This video isn't going to be very long because it's really easy to do this. The first thing you're going to need is an old tin can. Alright, make sure it's open because otherwise it could end badly. Old tin can, tomatoes, corn, spaghetti, baked beans, red beans, black beans, white beans, any sort of food that lives in a tin can. As you can see, mine has already been used to make sure that this actually works. You're going to need some matches, you're going to need some petrol, and you're going to need some dirt. Let's get some dirt. Honestly, doesn't matter the dirt. I got mine from under the mulch just here in the backyard and it still works. So doesn't need to be anything crazy or anything too special. Okay, so you've got your empty tin can here. We want to fill this up with dirt about halfway. You can see there where I've got the black line. Fill it up about halfway full of dirt. All right, next up, you want to fill up the dirt with petrol. You don't want to overfill it. Just let it soak, and then when you see it disappear, fill it up a bit more. And like I said, don't overfill it with petrol. So I don't know if you can really see, but there's just a little bit of petrol there, but all the dirt is soaked in petrol, as you can see. So next up, we need to light this tin can up. Okay, so before I light this up, I want to tell you why this actually works and how this has a flame that lasts for over 2 hours just off a bit of petrol and dirt. Basically, the dirt acts like a wick of a candle and it absorbs all the petrol liquid through the different air gaps in the dirt. And so because of this, it stores the petrol fumes for longer. Petrol only burns off of fumes, not the liquid. And so because of this, it like spoon feeds the fire rather than giving it all the petrol at once where it would just combust really quickly. And so that's why you get a controlled flame for such a long time. Yeah, I'll cover it up. It's just, I needed some dirt.
There's better dirt at the back than
nah, this dirt will burn. Now time for the moment of truth. I'm not encouraging you to do this because I don't know whether YouTube would take it down, but now you're going to light it up. There it is. Petrol fumes, black smoke, and yeah, that will last a few hours. So I don't know whether you need to light a fire or just keep yourself warm. Maybe you need a bit of light. This is a great option for fuel or for fire whilst you're camping. Sometimes you might have wet timber and a match just isn't cutting it. It's not lighting it for long enough. And this might do the trick. So it's a great little camping hack, that's for sure. Basically, this will still stay alight even if it's lightly raining, not if it's too heavy. But the reason that is because water is H2O, and meaning some of that is oxygen, and fuel needs oxygen to stay alight. If I blow it, it won't blow out. It will like flare up more, as you can see. So this will stay alight if there's oxygen, but if you want to put it out, you can obviously drench it in water and the flame will go out. But yeah, that's the science behind it at least. Well folks, that is how you do it. That's how you make a renewable flame. It's super quick, super easy, and you can do it with just a couple things lying around your campsite, which is super handy as well. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. More of this sort of stuff to come, and make sure you don't forget to subscribe and like, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks guys.